My name's Kristen Bryant. I'm a U.S. Air Force veteran. I'm here from Tennessee and I'm currently taking the PDR course. Well, unfortunately, my vehicle was involved in a hit and run accident, so that's actually what got us, me and my husband and I, we got introduced into PDR because of that, and we were so impressed with the work that the guy did that we decided we wanted to get into it as well. I'm gonna be here for 12 weeks at least. As a veteran, it was actually really easy to get everything set up. Within a couple of days, I contacted the office here and the paperwork was done and we were ready to go within maybe 2 or 3 days. I love being here. This is the best training environment I've ever been in, and I've been through a lot of training, so the staff is wonderful. Everyone's excited to teach. They actually seem like they want to be here and give you all of their knowledge, so it's really awesome. Well, the dream is to have my own shop, but right now we're literally trying to learn everything that we can, everything from wheel repair to windshield repair. So once we figure out exactly, what we want to work on, but for right now, we're just learning everything. Working on a real dent on a real car, it's a little bit intimidating at first, but once you get down to the thought process that it's just metal, it's just a car, it's the same thing that you were working on in practice, then it's not so bad. I'm actually doing pretty good. I'm a little impressed. Thank you so much, Dean King. Thank you, Todd. The staff here is wonderful. I'm having a good time.